Aeroplane. Aeroplane.
Aeroplane. Yeah, clever girl. Finish. Next one. Chloe, want to take the next one? What's that? What picture is this? Chloe, what's this? Chloe, what picture is this? It's a ship. Ship. Let's fix, huh? You haven't take everything out. One more. Come, fix it back, huh? Wait, upside down? Upside down. Upside down. Why you put upside down? Why you put upside down? Two more. Upside down. Last window. Chloe, you have to turn. Turn the other way. Upside down now. Chloe, this one turn the other way. Like that. Upside down now. Upside down now. Take out. Take out.